In this tutorial we configure web interface for CTI Solutions software. First we have to go to Server Manager to add roles of IIS server, so it's a web server built in Windows 2012. We have to add roles. On the roles list we have to search for web server and mark it. Then we click on Add Feature, and now we select Next. In Features we have to list .NET Framework 4.5 and check if ASP.NET 4.5 is selected. If no, please select. Then we click on Next. In Web Server we have to scroll down for the list and select Application Development, and in Details we have to mark Net Extensibility 4.5 and ASP.NET 4.5. Now we click on Add Features and then click on the Next. Then we click on Install, and now web server is installing. Web server is installed. Now we can close Server Manager. The next step is to configure web server. We have to start Internet Information Services Manager. Now we select server on the list. Then we select Application Pools. Now we select Default App Pool. With the right click we have the menu and select Advanced Settings. Here we have to change the parameter Enable 32-bit application, which is by default false. We have to set it to true. And now confirm the changes by clicking OK. Now initial configuration of IIS is finished. We can go to the installation of web interface. We launch the installer of CTI web server. We are installing the software with default options. Now web server is installed. We have to go back again to IIS Manager to configure the installation. select the server. Then we select sites and default website. Here we right click and select manage website and advanced setting. And now we change the physical path to point to the place where web interface is installed. By default it's on disk C, program files x86, CTI solutions, CTI web server. And we select this folder and click OK. Now we save the configuration. And now we can close IIS Manager. Now we can test if web interface is working correctly. We start Internet Explorer, and here we can type localhost, which is a default address for this. Now you see that web interface is working. We can log into the program